Because Range Rovers have not enjoyed the best of reputations. I did some phoning around and looked into this. They did suffer a few problems. I mean, it was with stuff like the paintwork, interior trim, a bit rattly, engines, they could be a problem.
Yeah, the 4-litre.
And the 4.6, actually.
And the diesel.
All the engines.
Yeah.
Gearboxes could be an issue.
Automatics.
And the manuals.
And the manuals, yeah.
Transfer boxes, the suspension, actually, as well.
Yeah.
And all of the electronics.
Yeah.
All of it, you know.
Yeah. I did actually have a word with Land Rover about their reliability issue on this car, and they said, no, this one's built properly.
We are here to help Range Rovers that just need specialist care. Designed to live a long life pulling its weight on farms, the Range Rovers have become a beloved SUV. Check out the job we carried out on this 4.4-liter engine. Body on with both turbochargers removed. What are the benefits of leaving the body on? 1. We do not interfere with any electrical components. 2. We do not have to make our way through the suspension, steering, or brakes. 3. It is safer for our mechanics and often quicker. Here's how they look before. Our turbochargers are reconditioned to manufacturer standard. Our parts are sandblasted, cleaned, balanced and calibrated. Here's how they look after our reconditioning job. Full boost restored to the engine. All fault codes cleared. You may be wondering why choose best turbos. Responsibility for our jobs lie in just one place. We do not lift the body on Land Rover vehicles. We use genuine parts. All of our jobs come with warranty.